guys, we're going to eat balot at the middle of this night, guys. Because I'm craving. So let's go. Number 16. Dodong ready. Sige, kid. More making. Then salt. Then vinegar. Favorite snack of the Filipino. Boleh sedap po ako. Balik. Sige, lagi na namin ito yung number 17, so that's why I'm choosing the number 16. My favorite number of the balloon is number 17. So they're running out and have available. Let's eat.